Are you a motorcycle enthusiast thinking about importing a bike from Japan? Japanese motorcycles are known for their reliability, performance, and affordable parts. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of importing a motorcycle from Japan to the US, ensuring you understand all regulations, paperwork, and payment details. Importing a motorcycle from Japan into the United States can be an exciting and rewarding experience. However, there are a few important steps you need to follow to make sure the process goes smoothly. From finding a reliable importer to complying with safety regulations, here's everything you need to know. Before importing, it's critical to ensure your motorcycle complies with US safety and environmental standards. The Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, FMVSS, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, have specific requirements that your bike must meet, including emission standards and safety features. Next, you'll need to discuss payment terms with your importer. Some importers require an initial down payment, while others may ask for full payment up front. Make sure you clarify these details to avoid any surprises later in the process. After customs clearance, you'll need to arrange delivery or pickup of your motorcycle. You can either collect it at the port if you're nearby, or you can opt for a door-to-door delivery service for added convenience. Just keep in mind, the latter option may cost a bit more. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on vehicle imports and international shipping. Safe riding!